Hey there, science fans. Did you know there's a whole universe buzzing with activity inside you? It's true. Right now, trillions of cells are working hard to keep you alive, and inside each cell are tiny powerhouses called mitochondria. Think of mitochondria as the batteries of your cells. They take the food you eat and transform it into usable energy. This energy, called ATP, is what powers everything you do, from breathing to running a marathon. Pretty cool, right? Without mitochondria, your cells would be like cars without engines. They wouldn't be able to do much. So, let's take a closer look at these amazing organelles and discover how they work their magic. Mitochondria may be small, but they're packed with specialized parts. They have two membranes, an outer one and an inner one. The outer membrane acts like a gatekeeper, controlling what goes in and out. The inner membrane is where the real action happens. It's folded into many ridges called cristae. Think of these folds like the shelves in a factory, providing extra space for important machinery to do its job. This machinery is called the electron transport chain, and it's located within the cristae. It's like a complex assembly line that helps produce ATP. Inside the inner membrane is the matrix, a gel-like substance that houses even more tools for energy production. So how do mitochondria actually make ATP? It's a fascinating process with many steps, but we can break it down simply. First, the food you eat gets broken down into glucose, a type of sugar. This glucose is then broken down even further in the cell's cytoplasm through a process called glycolysis. Glycolysis produces some ATP, but the real powerhouse is the next stage, which takes place inside the mitochondria. In the matrix, a cycle called the citric acid cycle takes the byproducts of glycolysis and converts them into energy-rich molecules. These molecules then fuel the electron transport chain, which is where the bulk of ATP is produced. Think of it like a water wheel turning and generating power. It's an amazing example of how cells convert food into usable energy. Section 4. Beyond energy. The surprising multitasking of mitochondria. Making ATP is a big job, but mitochondria don't stop there. They're also involved in many other important cellular processes. For example, did you know that mitochondria play a role in programmed cell death, also known as apoptosis? It's true. When a cell is old or damaged, mitochondria release signals that tell the cell to self-destruct. This may sound dramatic, but it's actually a good thing because it prevents damaged cells from causing problems in the body. Mitochondria are also involved in regulating calcium levels within cells, which is crucial for many cellular processes. And believe it or not, they even help generate heat to keep you warm. Plus, mitochondria produce molecules called reactive oxygen species, which can be harmful in high amounts, but are also important for cell signaling. Section 5. Tiny organelles, big impact, the importance of mitochondria. As you can see, mitochondria are far more than just energy factories. They are essential for life as we know it. From powering our cells to controlling their fate, these tiny organelles play a huge role in keeping us alive and functioning. Next time you take a bite of food or feel your heart beating, remember the incredible world of mitochondria working hard inside you. They are a testament to the amazing complexity and efficiency of the human body.